One of the most common questions we get asked about Pinterest affiliate marketing is whether or not you need a website to get started. And while I personally recommend having one because it makes it so much easier to apply for programs and market your links, the answer is no. You do not need a website to get started, and today I'm going to show you exactly how. Hi, I'm Max. I help bloggers, online sellers, and affiliate marketers get their content seen without burning out. If that sounds like your vibe, now's a great time to hit like and subscribe so you don't miss future videos like this. In today's video, we're talking about Pinterest affiliate marketing without a website. We'll cover what affiliate marketing is and why Pinterest is an excellent platform for it, how to find programs that will accept you without a website, and how to set up your system so you can create and post pins consistently without burning out. I'll also walk you through my favorite top tools for doing this and show you a real life example of the whole process start to finish. And if you want more context on affiliate marketing basics or the top questions people ask, I've recently created a few videos on both of those and I'll leave those links in the description below. All right, let's get into it. What is affiliate marketing? If you are brand new to this, affiliate marketing is simply getting paid to recommend products. You join a brand's affiliate program and you get a unique tracking link. When someone clicks that link and buys something, you earn a commission. There's no inventory to manage, no shipping to handle, and no customer service involved. Your job is simply connecting the right person to the right product at the right time. Pinterest works exceptionally well for this because it's a visual search engine. People come to Pinterest already looking for something, whether they want the best travel backpack, a home office, a skincare routine, a kitchen gadget. They already are in the buying mindset before they even see your pin, which means you're not trying to convince someone to buy anything. You're just showing up in the right search at the right moment. The other reason Pinterest is such a great fit for affiliate marketing without a website is that every single pin has a destination link built into it. So you do not need a blog or a landing page sitting in between. You can link directly from your pin to your affiliate product, which means you can get started without building anything else first. So how do you find programs? This is where a lot of beginners get stuck because they either do not know where to look or they do not realize that every affiliate program works a bit differently. Some may require a website, some might restrict direct linking from social platforms, some are only available in certain countries. So before we dive in, here's where I would start. The first thing I would do is a simple Google search. If you already know the niche you want to be in, include that in your search. For example, best affiliate programs for food bloggers without a website. Or if you want to start a bit more broad, just best affiliate programs without a website. Click through those results and start to scan the list, and you'll notice which programs look like a good fit for your niche and your country location. You will quickly get a feel for what's out there, and then we can start to narrow it down. Before you apply to anything, there are 3 things worth checking. The first is whether the program accepts you without a website. Some will require a website, some a social media presence, some none at all. There are networks like ShareASale or CJ Affiliates, and they will give you access to thousands of individual brand programs, and many of those don't require a website to apply. You'll likely need an active social profile or Pinterest account with some content already published though. Again, this will depend on each affiliate program, so check this before you start. The second is whether the program allows direct linking from Pinterest. So this is a separate question from whether they accept you. Some programs may approve you as an affiliate, but will restrict where you can put your links. So always check the terms of service before you start creating pins. And third is whether the program is available in your country. So most major networks are globally accessible, but individual programs within those networks might have geographic restrictions or different payment options. Check the payment methods carefully because many programs will pay via PayPal, direct deposit, or Payoneer for international affiliates. So the simplest way to find programs in your specific niche is to think about the brands you already use and would genuinely recommend. Search that brand name and then add the word affiliate program after, and you can check their website, usually in the footer. You'll likely see an area that allows you to sign up for their affiliate program. And if you can't find it there, start looking on places like ShareASale or Impact because many of these companies will run programs through those bigger networks and not advertise it elsewhere. Setting up your system with Pin Generator. Once you have your affiliate links ready, here's how to start creating and scheduling pins without a website using Pin Generator's new automation feature. You're going to want to head to pingenerator.com and click Start Pinning Now. From there, you can name your automation, something like travel affiliate pins or home decor weekly pins, whatever helps you stay organized if you start running multiple automations down the line. Next, you're going to choose how many pins you want to generate per day. I would recommend somewhere between 1 to 3 to start, which will keep your activity consistent and natural looking, which is important, without overwhelming your account. Then you can choose how often you want to review what's going out. So every week is a great starting point so you can monitor what's publishing and make adjustments as you go. On the next screen, you'll be asked to connect a website, Shopify store, Etsy store, or WooCommerce store. Since we are doing this without a website, click the button that says, I don't have a website. From there, you'll describe the kind of pins you want to create. Pin generator gives you an example to work from, something like, I sell handmade candles and I want pins showcasing my products with cozy, warm aesthetics and seasonal themes. Write something similar for your niche and be as specific as you can, because this is the description that shapes everything the AI is going to create for you. Then you will add your outbound links. This is where your affiliate links go. You can add a handful of them, and Pin Generator will use these as the destination URLs for your pins. So instead of linking to a website, you're going to link your pins directly to your affiliate product. Next, you'll pick a color palette and choose from a range of templates. There are plenty to choose from, and you can select as many as you like, because Pin Generator will rotate through these to keep your pins looking varied and fresh. And there's also an option to add your own too later on. Because you do not have a website to pull content from, you're going to be using the AI generation options for titles, descriptions, and images. These are toggleable, but since this is AI generated content, it's going to use credits. So do keep that in mind when setting up your first automation. You can describe the visual style that you want for your images, you can preview a test image before you commit, and you can add keywords that you want included in your pin titles, so your pins are optimized for Pinterest search right from the start. You can also add your disclosure text in the pin description field here. Since these pins contain affiliate links, adding something like #affiliate or #ad means every pin that goes out is already going to be compliant without you having to remember to add it manually every single time. Finally, you will choose your boards, either letting the AI select them or picking your own specific boards. And then review everything before you hit generate. Pin Generator will email you when your content is ready, or you can wait and review it directly on the generate page, where you can tweak individual pins, swap images, adjust the text, and confirm everything before your links go live. And if you prefer more hands-on control, you can also go directly to the generate page and add your affiliate links in the top left corner and build these pins one by one. Both approaches end up in the same place, scheduled pins going out consistently over time without you having to design everything by scratch. And just a quick note on images. One more thing worth mentioning before we wrap up. Pin Generator's AI image generation works really well for this workflow, and the results are genuinely impressive. But if you have the option to use your own original photos, even just phone shots of a product you own, I would recommend doing that too. Real content builds trust. A photo of an actual product in a real setting will feel more authentic than a generated image, and Pinterest rewards that kind of authenticity over time. So whatever you do, just make sure your images accurately represent what you're talking about or promoting, because misleading visuals, exaggerated claims, or AI images that don't reflect reality are the kind of content that gets accounts flagged, and it's just not worth the risk. Let's wrap this up. You do not need a website to get started with Pinterest affiliate marketing in 2026, but you do need to choose the right programs, a clear niche, and a system that keeps you showing up consistently without burning out. And everything I walked you through today will get you there. If you found this video helpful, now's a great time to hit like and subscribe so you don't miss future videos like this. I'm Max. I share weekly Pinterest marketing videos and tutorials to help you get your content seen without burning out. I'll see you next week. Let's get generating.